Hello, assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you all? Hope all are well. Yeah, I'm also well. This is Amri Azharul Islam Bodrul in front of you. I'm from Kishoreganj. Today, I would like to say something about my home district, Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj is a productive district of Bangladesh in the field of history, heritage, and tourism. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. Kishoreganj has 8 municipalities, 13 upajelas, 108 villages, and 1,795 villages. The name of Kishoreganj comes the old landlord Bhojokishore Pramanik and Nandakishore Pramanik. It is a small hometown. There are many important places around it. They are the Pagla Mosque, the Muhammad Mosque, the Ishaka Jangalbari. Kishoreganj district is full of nature of beauty. In the rainy season, many tourists come from there. Our Kishoreganj is not just a place, it's an experience. So come and describe its beauty. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.